Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a date picker in Google Sheets. Now, in order for us to get started, I have this particular dates right here, and we're going to go ahead and proceed with these. So, we have this one. I have a date of birth and then names. Now, as of the moment, if I'm going to click or double click here, you can see that it's just going to ask me to type, but we're going to go ahead and insert something. So I'm going to click this one, click the insert button, and then we're going to look for a drop down button, and we're just going to delete the options here, and the criteria is going to be validate. Now select the second option here, reject the input, click done, and then we're gonna go ahead and close this, and we can just drag this down below. So this time, if you're gonna go ahead and double click here, it's gonna ask you to enter or to choose a date here. So yep, that is the easiest way to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.